Coder Singh, and in this tutorial I will be talking about AWS services, or you can say DevOps tutorial. These tutorial series will be in English as well as in Hindi. At the end of the video, I will be adding playlist cards for specific language. These tutorial series will have multiple use cases. We will be starting with deploying a single page React application. For the best results means low latency, single page React app will be using services like Route 53 for domain management, Certificate Manager for SSL certificates, CloudFront for CDN, S3 to store the files. This is one of the use case and we are already using 4 services. Soon I will be coming up with more use cases which use different services of AWS. If you guys want anything specific, please mention in the comments. If you guys don't have an AWS account, you can go to awsamazon.com/free. You hit enter, you will get this page and click on create a free account, and that's it. You will get a free account. That's all for the introduction video. Stay tuned and do like the video and subscribe my channel.